Every account in our system has what we call a customer notebook. In the customer notebook, you will locate important notations for the account. For example, if a customer is requesting for specific shipping methods or special instructions on a specific order, this is where you will find that information. Okay? How to access the customer notebook. That screen is called CM19. All right? You will once again use your F7 key to pop up the performance function window. You can either hit the key on your keyboard or click the icon on your screen. Once you have the pop-up window on your screen, you will enter the screen name CM19. Hit enter. You're now in the customer notebook maintenance window. Okay? You will have to have the customer's account number in order to pull up their notes, their account notes. Okay? We're going to be using T8963 as an example. Okay? If you notice, there's already information that has defaulted. For example, by, which is the C for customer, as stated here. Okay? Then you have the note type. GEN stands for General Notebook. So there's two different versions of the notebooks for a customer. There's the General Notebook, and then there's the pop-up window notes. Okay? We're first going to review the general notes and explain what those are. Once you enter the account number, you're going to hit enter, and the notebook will then be displayed on your screen. The general notebook is where we store important information for customers on how to process their orders, any special instructions they have provided us on how to handle specific customers for them, and so on. So let's take a look. The screen will display in the center the actual notes and messages for the account. Then you have the date it was entered and the username of who entered that note. The last column is when it was last updated. Okay? So here we can start reading. For this account, must validate the cost against the quantity orders. See Yesenia if questions. We use a lot of abbreviations within our notes. If something does not make sense to you, please stop and ask someone to explain. Okay? 2019 tax orders per Whitney, hold and ship complete until further notice. So here's the special instructions we're supposed to be aware when processing their orders. Okay? The screen CM19 is extremely important when dealing with a customer, okay? Especially when processing their orders. You should always have this screen open when you're entering an order for a specific account. So this way you know how to process their orders and not make any mistakes, okay? To the right of the window, you will notice that it has the word more. If you see this message at the bottom right corner, that means that there's more notes for you to view. How do you view them? On your keyboard, you will see the key page down. You hit that key, it'll page down to the next set of notes. Once again, you'll see that it has more, page down. So you page down and read all of the notes until the word says bottom. Okay? These are very important information that you need to be aware of when processing the orders. It will tell you how to enter specific items, how to enter specific quantities, how to enter for specific dropship locations. So it is important that you review these notes when processing orders or talking to a customer. This will also tell you if we are allowed to speak to certain reps. For example, if you're dealing with an account and you're dealing with the sales rep on the phone who wants to place an order, but they are no longer with the company, this notebook will tell you, do not take orders from that specific rep. You will then follow the instructions and explain to the caller on the call that you're unable to take any orders from them. Okay? So it is extremely important that you review these notes when talking to customers or especially processing their orders. Now, the other set of notes that you can view through CM19 is the pop-up notes. Okay? When you want to view the pop-up notes and you're already within the customer notebook, all you need to do is go to the note type and put in the word pop. Hit enter. You are still in the same account, but now you're viewing the pop notes. If you want to change the account you're looking at, all you have to do is put in the account number and then the note type. You see how now you're in a different account? Okay, so let's go back to the account that we were viewing. We're going to read the pop-up notes. For this account, you'll notice once again that there's the word more at the bottom right corner. You need to make sure that you read the pop-up notes. Now, what is a pop-up note? Anything noted in this window will automatically pop up in a pop-up window when entering your order in the system. Okay? Because you have a short window of reviewing these notes within the order processing screen, we give you this option to go back and review the notes so that you're able to process the order accordingly. Okay?